Hello, the lovers of realistic miniatures. Barbie has wonderful new clothes, bright and beautiful. Let's see how it's done. A drop of hot glue is limited by a ring. Then add a flower and a rhinestone. We got 2 blanks. Insert the wires and the miniature jewelry is ready. Attach them to the cardboard. Isn't it beautiful? Barbie had already put on her pretty earrings. Glue 2 plates of white foam paper. Outline the elegant doll's foot and carefully cut it out along the drawn contour. Then, glue the finished parts of the shoe to the sole, decorated with pink edging, the back, and the tongue. Trim the sole with a white stripe. Attach funny ears and a flower, and try on super fashionable moccasins. From pink circles and a strip of sparkling foam paper, collect a box. On the lid and inside, glue a photo of Rapunzel, decorated with rhinestones. On a circle of foam paper, punch even holes with a hole punch. Then glue the base under the holes and put it in a box. Make the decor with pink flowers and pearls. Fill the palette with droplets of multicolored varnish. A double-sided sponge is made from the core of a cotton swab. With cones of white foam rubber. The miniature palette is ready. Barbie immediately can do her makeup. The iPhone screen is glued to a plate of foam paper. Carefully cut off the excess. Decorate the phone case. Apply a layer of transparent varnish and sprinkle it on thick with dry glitter. After drying, again cover it with varnish and attach a sticker with a pretty panda. Hello, Barbie! Hello, Panda! Do we make fancy clogs? To the sole of the foam paper, attach ball chains exactly to the size of the doll's foot. Tear off a thin gold stripe and carefully glue it around the sole platform. Fasten the chain's lines with rhinestones. Great! Cut off the tip of a cotton swab and cover the rod with silver varnish. Cut the tube into pieces. Insert it into the beads, and we got pretty colorful bottles. Glue a shelf of transparent plastic with a silver wall. Carefully fasten all the corners. Place bright bottles of perfume on the shelf. Isn't it beautiful? Turn a small round container into a glamorous jewelry box. Glue a picture with Kitty, take sparkling foam paper, and decorate the side, top, and bottom with rhinestones. In the box, we put doll cosmetics, perfumes, and lacquers. Do you like it? On the blank of foam paper, lay out the yellow circles. From the bright felt, collect an appetizing multi-tiered cake. Just like a real one. Attach it from above. Glue a wide sidewall in a circle. Carefully cut the holes. Insert the handle. Fix the second wall. Make a slot again. And the stylish handbag is ready. On shaped blanks in the form of bows, bend the long tips. Carefully iron the folds and glue them. Connect the bows and decorate with a stone. Attach the hairpin to the tip of a plastic fork. A pretty bow for a Barbie hairstyle.